Hello everyone, welcome back. You've seen these videos taking over Instagram and TikTok, getting millions of views overnight. Transforming animals into stunning plant art used to take hours of professional VFX, but today, I'm going to show you how to do it in just 5 minutes using 3 secret AI tools, and the best part? It's 100% free. So, let's get started. Step 1 is generating prompts with ChatGPT. First, go to ChatGPT. On the left side, click on More and then click on the Apps option, and then select GPTs. In the search bar, type Restoration Time Lapse. Click on the first profile that appears. Once it opens, click Start Chat. I'm using this prompt. You can find this prompt in my video description, copy and paste it here, and simply hit Generate button. Okay, so now let me explain my prompt a little bit. Here, I directly wrote that give me image prompts and video prompts, and I'm using a massive dragon for this video, and location a modern desert resort courtyard, but you can change the animal and also the location. So here you can see that ChatGPT generated 4 detailed image prompts and 4 detailed video prompts. Step 2 is creating images with Whisk AI. Now search for Whisk AI and open this first website. The link is in the description, so check it out. Click on Enter Tool, and this interface will appear on your screen. Copy the first image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Select the aspect ratio as 9:16, which is a standard real size, and hit the Generate button. Wait for a while, and here is the result. Whisk AI gives you 2 images, so select one image of your own choice, and download it from here. For the consistency, use the Add Images option. Drop your finalized background image into the subject box to keep the background consistent while you generate the next frames. So select this image and go to ChatGPT, copy your second image prompt and paste it here, and hit the Enter button. So here is the result. Select the image you want, download it from here. Now again, drop your finalized background image into the subject box, so your image is loading, and make sure that now only the second image is selected. Uncheck the first one. Now copy the third image prompt and paste it here, and hit Enter. So here is the result. Preview both the images and download the image of your own choice. Now, following the same process and generate your remaining images. Step 3 is generating videos with Flow. Now, search Flow AI and open the first website. Now click on Create with Flow and then click on New Project. After that, this interface will appear on your screen. When you sign up with your Google account, you get 150 free credits, and from below, select Video, aspect ratio to 9:16, and select one product. And here you can see that it will take only 20 credits. Here are 2 frames, the start and the end frame. Go to Upload Image. Put your first image in the start frame and your second image in the end frame. Go to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt and paste it here and hit the Enter button. Now wait for a while, and here is the result. The video is just perfect. So download your video in 720p. Now for the second video, select the second image as a start frame and the third image as an end frame. And go to ChatGPT and copy the second video prompt and paste it here and hit the Enter. And here is the result. Again, the video quality is really amazing, so simply download the video. So follow the same process and generate all your videos. And here is the third video. And for the last video, I only upload the 4 image, and here is the result.
Step 4 is final editing. For editing, I'm using Adobe Premiere Pro. You can use any editing software. So simply import your files, bring all your videos on the timeline, and you do not need any background music because AI generate automatic background sound. Now add a transition between the clips to make the transformation look smooth. So go to Effects and select Dip to Black Transition. Just click and drop between your all video clips one by one. So here is the final result.
If you found this helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the upcoming videos.